Hello, my friends. I wanted to hop on and answer some of your questions on video format because sometimes during my training classes, I don't have time for that. I'm Kathy Weaver and I help people in a lot of different ways. My books are here, my podcast is here, my Kangen water business, of course, and my business QR code is right here to take you right to my digital business card. So, anyway, the reason I'm on here right now is I wanted to make a recording of this because apparently the first time or second or 12th time that I mentioned this, it did not stick. So, one of the coolest features of Zoom that I have found, um, I seriously love this feature. And I guess the reason I love it is because it keeps people from falling asleep during my trainings. So that's probably number one. But the rest of the story is I love that it offers so much versatility to a presenter. Okay. So if you're a presenter for your coaching or training or whatever you do for your company, this feature of Zoom is underutilized, yes, but I feel that it is fun, actually. And it keeps people engaged a little more than perhaps if they were falling asleep. So let's go here. I train on a lot of different topics and I love helping people, obviously, with grief and bereavement, Kangen water, vodcasting, whatever your topic is. I love being able to help people with that. And I really do. I love networking. And the bereavement piece is a let's walk this together kind of thing. So, whatever the topic is, here's how you do it. When you are virtually training or even in an actual training class and you're recording it, and you do a screen share, okay? You're going to do a screen share. So probably you are going to use your PowerPoint account. I love PowerPoint. I use it all the time. And most of the time I make my slide deck on PowerPoint. It's easy, it's fast. Templates are cool. Opportunities are cool. Animation is cool. I love that. So let's share our PowerPoint training screen now. Okay. So don't open your slide deck yet. That's where a lot of people mess up. So think about this. Zoom has made it super easy. Click on share screen. I'm going to do it right now with you so that I'm actually doing the very same thing. So you'll be able to do it step at a time. So open up share screen. Don't go any further. It defaults to basic. We want to go across the top of the share box. It says advanced. We want to go advanced. As soon as you click on advanced, for me, it's the top left and it says PowerPoint as virtual background. Okay. PowerPoint as virtual background. So click on PowerPoint as virtual background. Okay. Double click on it. It should open to your desktop. So wherever your PowerPoint slides are, that's where it should go. As soon as you click on that, now you've got your PowerPoint files, your slide decks, whatever you're going to be training your teams on. Okay. In my case, let's just do one of my favorites, which is called Are You a Money Magnet? I love that part. Okay. So as you can see, I am in the screen now. Yeah, I know, like everybody wants that, right? I promise. But here is the cool part. Thanks to Zoom and how cool they make it for all of us, you can move yourself around as you see. Hang on a second. How do I get rid of that blue box? Click on it. Boom. Blue box goes away. But now you can still see yourself as you slide through the slides. Haha. Okay. When the blue box lights up again, you can move yourself around. You can even change the size. Holy moly. And that's what I think is cool. Now go ahead and proceed through your slide deck. Okay. Now, again, I have found that this keeps a lot of my team from falling asleep, which is kind of the point, right? You can adjust yourself, move yourself, change the size of yourself, and just click on the slide deck and you can still see yourself on the slides, but you are smaller. Okay. Now you don't have to change yourself every time from a standpoint of you can just stay right here proceed to the slide deck wherever you were the last time. It's going to keep you there. Unless there's a reason or a purpose or a thought where you would want to move yourself around again. Okay, it's kind of like doing the hokey pokey, right? And now you're able to literally move yourself around the screen. So I just feel that there are so many pieces of maybe a lot of platforms, but for me, the Zoom platform is underutilized and perhaps misunderstood in a lot of cases. But as soon as I tell someone, go to the advanced setting, do the screen share, here's your slide deck, that whole drill, I don't know what step they miss, but they seem to. So that's why I wanted to do a video right now, just so you can see how the system works. Proceed through your slides, just like you normally would. Train, talk over, video share, screen share, whatever you want to do as far as the talk part. But now you're actually able to, okay, put yourself in there, so to speak, as far as an opportunity for you to be findable and teachable, coachable, trainable, all those things when you're teaching your team how to do that. So again, I just am super excited about this. Now, the good news is, okay, stop share. All right. And now you're back to your normal slide. And now you want to share a video, a website, or whatever you want to share. When you go back into screen share, let's do this together so you won't panic. When you go back into screen share, advanced will now be lit up because this is still your same session. Click on basic. Now you go back to basic and it'll take you wherever you want to go. Okay. Whiteboard, you can share from your iPhone, your iPad, whatever that looks like, back to basic. And that's all you have to do. So it's just a very cool feature. And I wanted to share that because, like I say, when I'm doing all my training classes and I put myself in the PowerPoint, people always go, how did you do that? So did they listen to what I was training? Maybe not. But the bigger issue is now that we're talking about networking or Kangen water or whatever we're talking about, now they're able to actually go, I can do that PowerPoint screen share thing. Boom. And it's kind of one of those things when you find out new features, and this has been around for a while, quite frankly, that's the part that I was so surprised. How did you put yourself in there? And they didn't know that. So I just wanted to share screen share. Okay. Advanced, like click across the top, advanced. Then it will, for me, it's the top left of that box, but it could be anywhere for you, but it'll say PowerPoint as virtual background. And as soon as you click on that, it takes you to your desktop to open up whatever PowerPoint slides you want. And then once you just open that up, you're on the slide deck and you proceed like normal. Super awesome, great for training. And quite frankly, be prepared. Much of the time, they will probably say, how did you get your face in that box? And now you are a pro. So you will be able to help them do that. Anyway, it's super awesome. Zoom is a great platform for making recordings. As you can see, you can do all kinds of things with your backgrounds. And now you can even put yourself on your own slide deck, live and in person. Thanks very much, guys, for watching. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel because I love YouTube also. And I just wanted to hop on today and give you a little trick and tip on how to put yourself in your own Zoom PowerPoint slide deck screen share. How many cool topics and hashtags can we have on one video? Thanks and bye for now. I will talk to you again very soon. I appreciate the questions coming in, so keep them coming because I love to answer. And most of the time I answer by video because I always say, if a picture's worth 1,000 words, how much is a video worth? Bye for now, my friends.